Google's got something new you just have to see. Introducing Smart Display with the Google Assistant. They're everything you love about Google Assistant speakers, plus more. With a beautiful display, you can now hear and see the help you need.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Use your voice or the touchscreen to ask it questions, tell it to do things, and get quick, glanceable answers while you focus on doing more together. Listen to your favorite music podcast and radio from popular streaming services like Spotify. Pull up YouTube videos and even catch up on your favorite shows. In the kitchen, get dinner recommendations, set timers, and create shopping lists.
Hey Google, start cooking.
You can even get step-by-step recipe instructions using just your voice. Smart displays with the Google Assistant work with your favorite Google services so you can get personal, glanceable answers to questions about weather, traffic, local businesses, and much more. And for moments when you can't be together,
Hey Google, call Mom.
smart displays have built-in video calling with Google Duo. Relive your favorite memories with Google Photos.
Hey Google, show me photos from our summer vacation.
Smart displays work seamlessly with Google Photos so you can quickly see your pictures by person, event, or date. Use your smart display to control your smart home devices. The Google Assistant works with thousands of smart devices from your favorite brands so you can adjust the lighting, temperature, and more for that perfect family night. With the ability to perform over 1 million actions, smart displays with the Google Assistant make life a little easier. Tasks more manageable, answers more glanceable, and families more together. Now, isn't that nice to see? To learn more, visit the Google Assistant website.